Alright, now it's time to send the audio message, but before that, let's do some quick fixes. So here you can see if we reply to this, we can see that we've gone through this, but if this one of these we can see, but if it's a image, you would only have the image URL. So let's also fix this. Here we should know that we are replying to an image. Okay, so let's cancel that. For that, we need to go to the bottom chat field. So here in a message reply preview, let's go to this message reply preview. So it's this subtitle that we are showing. So here we should also check what kind of thing that we have swiped here. So let's also get the message type here. Okay, so final message type. Okay, so the message type, you know that we are going to get from message reply dot message type. And then now also here, let's do the switch statement the same way we did in our my message widget. Okay, so where is the display message, this switch statement? All right, so let's copy this and then let's come to my here, let's just paste that there. So here instead of the type, so let's just name this as type also. Yeah, and then here the message in if it is text, we are going to show exactly this. Okay, let's copy that and then put it here. If it is text, we are going to do that. Okay, we can we can close that. And then if it's an image here, let's show image icon. Okay, let's say icons, which comes from icons dot what can is it? It's an image outline. Yeah, let's show that icon. So constant. And then if it's a video, let's show a video icon. Okay, let's show icons dot video library, that one. So if you guys have an idea of the better icon, you can just put the video icon here. And then if it's an audio, again we are going to show icons, which comes from icons dot the audio track outline. Why are we having an error? Okay, so this is icon, and then let's have a const modifier, and then here on default we are just going to return this. Okay, paste it, and then that's it. Now this message to show, we are going to put it here on the subtitle. Okay, message to show. Great. Now that is fixed, where is the errors that we are having? Okay, we need to close these. Yeah, great, that is sorted. We can hot restart, and then now we can try. If we try this, it's still the same. Can you do this? And then now you can see that it's an image. Okay, great. So if we want, we can say, instead of because I've seen that it's not looking that nice, so we can wrap this in a row. And then we have the first child, and then the second child we can have it that, and then have a text which says image. Okay, so it says photo, but I want to say image. All right, and then we can have a const modifier where, so on top here, let's have a constant modifier, and then let's remove that, and then let's also remove that, and then we can do the same even here. Let's wrap in a row. We have a space, and then we have it says video, and then WhatsApp. Yeah, that's a const modifier there. And then also here, let's do the same, wrap in a row, and then let's have a size box in the middle, and then now the audio here. And then what we did is to wrap in the constant here. Let's just do it. Const modifier, then remove that and remove that. We can try to hot restart. Let's do that. Okay, you can see that that's better now. So this, we can reuse this, okay, because we'll do the same even here. All right, so what we can do is okay, let's change this to 2 lines, because here we want 2 lines. Okay, so we can cut this from here. Okay, so which means we need to pass the message enum here. Okay, message enum, and then we are going to pass the type, and then now we can cut this. Let's cut that, and then let's go in the global methods, and then after this build date time, let's paste it. Now let's import all of these. Let's import message. All right, we need to pass the message. It's simple. Let's pass the string here. Let's remove that, and then let's pass these as required. Okay, required, and then required string message. Then here let's put the message. Okay, great. Also here let's put message with 2 there. So now that this is here in the global method, we can come here and then just say message to show. Not up here. No, just we can direct call here, message to show, and then pass the required, which is we have what did you call it? Type, which will be the type on top. And then the message, what's it called? Let's go there. On the message to show, where is the global method? This one. So it's called message. Let's copy this, paste it here. Then this is a message like that, and then we are going to put our message, which comes from message reply dot message. And then why are we getting an error? Oh, we need to import it. Great. Okay, so now that's it. So now if we call it here, we can might as well call it here. Okay, so to call it here, we need to go to this widget, which is on the chat. Is it chat? Let's go chat screen. My chat screen. Okay, now that widget is here. So we are going a title, and then this is a subtitle. So for the subtitle, we are going to call our message to show. Now the type, we know we are getting it in the message type. Last message, is it the last? Yeah, last message dot. We should have a message type here. Let's check here. This last message, we are getting it from where? We are streaming the last message, and then the snapshot, and then is me. We are getting chat.senderUID. Then the last message, let's see, let's just go to Firestore. So let's see one of these. So in the last message we have okay, we are not sending we are sending the message type. Okay, great. In the last message here is a message type, so let's go back. So we are getting this instead of last message. I can see we are getting it from chat, so we are getting it from chat dot message type. Yes, and then the message, that's what we are getting now, this last message. Okay, this last message, and then that's it. Now we can remove this and put the comma there. Let's put the comma. Now let's bring up our device and then hot restart. Great. If it's an image, now you see that it's an image. All right, great. So these are just a few fixes to check this. Let's end this video right here. In the next one, now we will install packages for sending the audio message and then send our audio message. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.